to another exquisite planning video here on my channel, Exquisite Glow. Today I am going to be opening up this companion kit. This is the fitness companion kit. I purchased the fitness planner, which I actually went through in a different video. I'll go ahead and link it down below, but look at how beautiful it is. It has like holographic designs on it, and it's just beautiful. And look at the rings. They're so pretty. But this video is about this planner companion kit. I also did a flip through on the fitness sticker book. So if you're interested in seeing more detail on the fitness sticker book, I'll go ahead and link that down below as well. Because I find that when you look at things online, they make them so small, and even if you zoom in, it looks very blurry. So I think that these videos are more helpful because you can see clear, up close of everything. So yeah, check out that video. Let's go ahead and get into this. So these are new and I ordered online. I did a haul. I'll link it down below as well. But I did a haul on everything that I purchased. They made a whole bunch of new planner companion accessory kits. And I ordered online because I wanted to make sure to get my hands on them, and I didn't want to wait till they put them in the stores and then me having to go find them and then them running out. So the things that I really wanted, I ordered online, and then on things that I want but could hold off on, I decided to hold off on them and just find them as I go and then use like a coupon for them. I did get a discount on this stuff. They don't have discounts all the time, but they had one and I took advantage. So that was a huge haul. Again, I linked it down below so that you guys can check it out. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. This is what the front looks like, and it's very bright and beautiful. I hope that the camera is doing it justice. These do come with these bracelets, which I thought was really cool. On the back, it shows you a detail of what's in the package, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch of stuff. It says there's 322 pieces in here. So let me hop on in. My baby is sleeping, so I'm trying to take advantage of that right now. Alright, so the first thing is the bracelet. Let's get into it. It says, wear this bracelet as a reminder to nourish your body and make healthy choices. So here is what it looks like. So it's black. That's something I really like because it goes with all the outfits. And it has this really nice heart. It looks like a disc. Oh, how cute. And it's the kind that you pull. So you pull like this to open it up, and then you pull like this to close it out. And it does have a thick, a little stiff, but with wear it'll loosen up. Kind of not wax, well, a little bit of wax. I know it must be coated with a little bit of wax to protect the string from fraying, but oh, look at the back. It says be healthy on it. I don't know if you can see that well, but it says the happy planner, be healthy. That's cute. So love that. It comes with it, so you wear it so that it kind of sits as a reminder on your wrist, you know, to make healthy choices. Okay, so this is the packaging. I'm going to put this on the side so I can reference. And let's see, open it up. So it's like a folder, really schooly foil, very pretty. It's well put together. It feels sturdy, doesn't feel cheap or anything. So I'm just gonna pull this out first. Oh, looks like things are bind together. All right, so I get this plastic off. Whoa. Okay. Oh, it has a gummy in there. So let me just slip it off. So the first thing we have here are a Track Your Habits mini half sheet note paper. So you can write in your habits and then just do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, blah, blah, blah. And just, you know, mark them in your small happy planner if you are using a small one. So that's nice. Has a nice little ombre effect going on. Then we have these. These are cool. I actually bought a kit, a pack with just these. They do look a little different. But yeah. So this one says, you've totally got this. Write out some achievable goals you can accomplish in a week and specific actions to make them happen. So you write your goal and then your actions to make them happen. And you have 3 goals that you can reach throughout the week. This is for the classic planner. It's a half sheet. Really pretty. This, holding it up close like this sometimes takes away from the color. But keeping it far gives you a better color payoff. Not payoff, but you can see the colors a little better. All right, and then we have some note paper here. Oh wow, there's a few different things here. Okay, so we have some note paper. There should be 10 of them. This is again for the classic. Has a nice little ombre rainbow going on here. And it just says noted. On the back, it's exactly the same, as you can see. Really pretty paper. And it feels nice, like it has a good weight to it. It's not super thin, so that's nice. All right, the next thing here, let's see, this is a weekly view paper. Okay. Okay, so we have weekly view paper. There is 20 of these. I also purchased something similar to this. It's a paper pad. It doesn't come pre-punched, but you can punch it yourself. But it's color blocked. Like this will all be red, pink, this will all, and it doesn't have any dots. This one, you can see it has dots. It's a grid. And it has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then on the back, you have a solid grid. It's not a dotted grid. It's a solid grid, and it just says jot it down, and it has the nice little icons, working out icons. This is nice. I like it. Then we have these two here. What are these? These are called vision boards. So this one says celebrate each little victory, and it has a nice green to blue ombre with a side stripes. Then you have the nourish, a focus word, and your inspiration. And then it has, again, the nice weights and dumbbells and kettlebells on there. Very pretty. And this one is actually almost like, it's like cardstock paper. So this one's a little thicker than the regular weighted paper. And then we have this one. This one says celebrate imperfections here on the top. It has, again, that print in the color white. And it says health goals. And then on the back, it just says progress, not perfection. Every day, progress, not perfection. All right. So let me slip this paper back in, see if it goes in nicely. There we go. And it does. That's good. Okay. And then on this side has a half pocket. This one's a vertical pocket. This is a horizontal pocket. So pull that out. Nice. I like these sticky notes that have the clip-on, or that they're already punched to go in your planner. So we have 3 of them, ombre, purple, orange, and green to blue. Very nice. And how many of those? Let's see, 3 notepads, and it's 20 sticky each. Each pad has 20 sticky notes, sorry, I couldn't say it. Okay, the next thing we have here are some stickers, 207 stickers. Everything is nicely put together, or it's kept together nicely with all the plastic that they use. I don't know, that's really good, but it keeps things together. So here is the first sheet of stickers, and they do have a foil going on them. These are quote stickers. Very nice. And then we have the workout stickers, and these are headers We have some that are boxed and some that are not. All right, so we have these ones as well. These are circles. And what's nice about this companion kit is, let's say that you didn't want to get the sticker book. This companion kit comes with stickers, so you don't have to buy the sticker book. If you want to test things out and see how everything works out for you, you can get the companion book and you get a little bit of everything. This one is just clothing and gear. And then we have some circles that say yoga, gym, rest, workout, walk, and class. So you can log everything or keep track. And then we have some habit trackers along with some flags and some weekend banners. Or just banners in general. So those are the stickers that came in the kit. Then the last item in here is this white board. So this is the dry erase board, and it has a tab here on top, so it's easy to find in your planner. You can click it into your planner. As you can see, it's already punched. You have, this is a wet erase board, yeah. You have a list with stars. You have a grid here. This is line, this is grid. You have 3 different ones. And then on the back, it's a at a glance. So this one is kind of like, almost like the social media one. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I actually hauled it. But yeah, this is like the social media one, and you can track, you know, there's 4 different colors and you can track. So yeah, that is the last item in the kit. And then you have your nice folder, which you can store everything away if you needed to. So yeah, that is everything in the kit. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Also hit the notifications link so that you are aware of when I do upload, because right now it'll be, you know, not far in between, but not on the actual schedule. Because I have my little one and we're still getting a schedule down with her. So yeah, you can follow me or find me on all my social media links. Everything will be linked down below and here on the screen. I want to thank you again for watching my video, and stay tuned for upcoming ones. I love you guys all so much, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye guys. Mwah.